The majority of women with PCOS struggle with at least one mental health condition, and they're 3 times more likely to struggle with anxiety than a woman without PCOS. In this video, I will share with you my best advice to help you relieve your anxiety and restore your mental health. For many years, I struggled with anxiety myself, and I also developed an eating disorder in my 20s. I know what it's like to wake up feeling anxious and struggle to find inner peace throughout the day. Before we dive deeper into the subject, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon so you don't miss a video I post every Thursday. For a long time, it was really hard for me to talk about it because the topic was just so charged with emotion. I am now able to not only talk about it openly, but also help women in their own healing journey. Eating disorders and mental health conditions like anxiety go hand in hand, and today we're going to focus only on anxiety. Firstly, I want you to know this is not all in your head, and hormone imbalances in part contribute to how you're feeling. By improving your hormone balance, you will surely improve your mental health and feeling of well-being. This is because our hormones are so interrelated with our mood. The very first thing I will encourage you to do is to strengthen your circadian rhythm. You can watch the video here to learn more about how to strengthen your circadian rhythm. Improving your circadian rhythm will help you improve your feelings of anxiety. Circadian rhythm dysfunction causes many health problems, including weight gain, sleep disorders, and mood disorders like anxiety. This is because circadian rhythm dysfunction causes hormone dysregulation. As you can see, if we work on our circadian rhythm, we improve our hormone balance, and improving your hormone balance improves your moods. So I want to share with you some actionable steps you can start making to improve your circadian rhythm. The very first one is to get blue light first thing in the morning. That is stepping outside and getting the blue light from the sun early in the morning. Another good tip is to get enough sunshine during the day. This also helps your body know what time it is and kind of get more in touch with your circadian rhythm. And thirdly, make sure you reduce your blue light exposure at night. At night, we should only be exposing our eyes to more yellow and red lights. I wanted to talk about how in women with PCOS, anxiety is linked to abnormal levels of cortisol. PCOS is also linked to elevated testosterone and low estrogen. Women with PCOS also have low levels of serotonin and dopamine, and these are our two neurotransmitters that are also considered your happy hormones. So if these two are low, that's how you can see how that impacts your overall mood. Women with PCOS also have high levels of glutamate, and glutamate is a chemical that is also closely involved to mood disorders. A common symptom of high levels of glutamate is anxiety. Glutamate is your brain's main excitatory neurotransmitter, and conversely, GABA is your body's main inhibitory neurotransmitter. So we have glutamate on one end and then GABA on the other. GABA is a neurotransmitter that produces feeling of calm, and glutamate at high levels can lead to feelings of anxiety. So a common practice in helping improve the levels of GABA or of glutamate is to improve your levels of GABA. A few ways to improve GABA that I like to recommend are to include things like l-theanine, which is a chemical that also helps induce those feelings of calmness, like calm alertness. You can also try something like ginger and CoQ10. So CoQ10, ginger, and l-theanine all help increase GABA, and increasing GABA will help with glutamate levels. Again, I want to remind you that I am a healthcare practitioner, but I'm not your healthcare practitioner. So I always encourage you to check and consult with your own medical health provider before you start any supplementation. With that being said, a really fun way to include more L-theanine in your diet is through drinking something like matcha. If you have ever heard of matcha, it's kind of gaining popularity recently, and it's a green tea, concentrated green tea that you can make into a latte, or I have a really good recipe, I just thought about that I can share with you in the link below. Another hormone-related reason that women with PCOS struggle with anxiety has to do with your amygdala. Your amygdala is in charge of your feelings of fear and anxiety. In women with PCOS, your amygdala is hypersensitized to testosterone, which if you have PCOS, you have a lot of. This is what causes you to feel irritable or on edge, or like you overreact in a stressful situation. So as you can tell, there are a lot of hormone-related reasons why you may struggle with anxiety, especially if you have PCOS. So our goal here is to help you reduce your testosterone and cortisol levels and help you improve or increase your serotonin, dopamine, and estrogen. I want to share with you a few key tools that you can start implementing today to improve all of those. The first one is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an herb that has been known to lower cortisol and also improve mood. Secondly, you can try something like yoga, and thirdly, you can try something like meditation. All of these tools help with improving your moods and also with reducing cortisol, improving testosterone levels, improving dopamine, serotonin, and balancing estrogen levels. If you're looking for help balancing your hormones to help improve your anxiety, click in the link below and join our community of Hormone Healing Female Collective over on Facebook. This community is a community of women just like you who are committed to improving their hormone balance and their healing. Okay, so let's put it all together. Tip number 1 is to improve your circadian rhythm. Again, you can head to one of my previous videos over here where I discuss in depth how to improve and strengthen your circadian rhythm. Secondly is to consider trying something like l-theanine, which helps improve your mood by improving your feeling of calmness and also giving you that calm alertness without increasing your cortisol. Third is to consider an herb like ashwagandha, which also helps improve moods and reduce cortisol. And lastly, try something like lifestyle changes, including yoga and meditation, which also help calm your mind, help reduce cortisol, all which will help with improving your hormone balance and your anxiety. As I mentioned earlier, your hormone health is a key contributor to your mental health. There you have it. I hope this was super helpful and empowering. Don't forget to join us over on Instagram and also join our Hormone Healing Female Collective over on Facebook, where I share all of my most valuable content and I give you priority access to all of my offers. You can find those links below. If you like this video, make sure you like it by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends, share it with women that you know will benefit from this information.